Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. Today's poster wanted to be able to create these pantry labels, which are text with these kind of black outlines. Since there isn't a font, or maybe there is, we just haven't been able to find one. So I just brought in a couple different fonts here. And basically, the simple way to do this is to add a text layer. So you right click, go to text layer style, you go to stroke, and let's say you make the stroke white. If it was black, I'd be able to see the stroke. You can see back here. But since it's white, it's really hard to see. So in order to help me, I'm going to first change the color of the background so I can see what kind of outline I'm building, and then I'll go back to white. So I brought up this little kind of a tan color. This way you can really just see what's going on with your font. So I'm going to, once again, right click on the font, go to Edit Layer Style. I'm going to go to Stroke, and I can pick it, and you can see it's getting bigger and smaller. Once we get over to where we like the outline to be, let's say right around there, then we're going to hit OK to close that. I'm going to do the same thing with this bottom one here. So this is the text. I'm going to right click, go to Edit Layer Style, go to the stroke, and once again change this from black to white, and then make the stroke bigger. See, it doesn't show here on the letter. It's not going bigger. The reason why is this outside here is not set properly. So I'm going to click it and choose it again, and now you'll see that it sets it to the outside properly. So I'll make this as big as possible right there, just to where you lose the little spaces right in between here. Or you could fill those in later, but just go like this, right around there. Once you got that, you hit OK, and that's half of the project already done. All you have to do now is go to the text layer up here, right click, and simplify it. And once we've changed the layer style into a graphic, all we have to do is choose it once again for the second time, and see the little effects there. You want to get rid of that by saving it once again as a simplified layer. So it's going to go away when I hit this, and now it's an actual graphic. The first time you simplify the layer, it turns the layer style into a graphic. The second time, it does the whole thing. So see, this one still says effects. So we right click that and hit simplify for the second time. That'll change the words into a true graphical interface. Now, all you have to do now is right click, edit layer style for the third time, hit stroke, and set this to, I don't know, let's say 2%. And since the color was black, it gives you a black outline. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Right click, edit layer style, and hit stroke. And this one's set to 1%, so it's a thinner outline. And basically, that's all there is to it. Now I can change the page back to white, and there we have exactly what you were looking for. I hope this helps you out. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.